So, you've probably had this before, right? Well, this is arugula. Now, you've probably had this in a salad, right? Bet you have. Well, we're gonna do something a little different. So, I'm sure you figured it out. We're gonna juice the arugula, but along with the arugula, we're gonna add parsley, cucumber, mint, lemon, apples, and some pineapple. That's it. We're gonna see how this tastes. All right, so there you have it. This is our arugula juice. Now, like I said before, did I say before? I've never juiced arugula, so this is a first for me. So let's try it out. It's very good. Of course, you can taste the mint is strong. You can taste the slight spiciness from the arugula. This is good. This is a good one. Cheers.